Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a super exciting topic, property investing in the UK for beginners. Whether you're looking to buy your first home or invest in a rental property, this guide will cover all the basics. On this channel, we keep things simple and explain money topics in bite-sized chunks. Be sure to subscribe to Clearview Money Simplified. First up, your credit score. This little number plays a huge role in your mortgage approval and the interest rates you'll get. Here's what you need to know. Register on the electoral roll. It's a quick win for boosting your score. Reduce existing debts and avoid making multiple credit applications in a short period. Improving your credit score can save you thousands over the life of your mortgage. So, it's worth the effort. Next, let's talk about saving for a deposit. In the UK, you'll need a deposit of at least 5% to 20% of the property's value. Consider a lifetime ISA. You get a 25% government bonus on your savings up to £4,000 per year. Cut unnecessary expenses and automate your savings. With a solid savings plan, you'll reach your deposit goal faster than you think. Now, on to proving your income. Lenders need to see that you have a reliable income before they approve your mortgage. Make sure your bank statements and tax returns are up to date. Clear and accurate financial records can make the mortgage approval process a lot smoother. Before you start house hunting, get a mortgage agreement in principle. This document shows how much you can borrow and tells sellers you're serious. Compare offers from different lenders. Consider using a mortgage broker to find the best deal. Having an agreement in principle gives you a clear budget and a competitive edge in negotiations. Understanding the local property market is crucial. Here's how you can do it. Track local trends on sites like Rightmove and Zoopla. Attend open houses and check for local development plans. Knowledge is power. Knowing the market helps you spot good deals and avoid overpaying. Found a property you like? Time to make an offer. But remember, know your budget and stick to it. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Understand the seller's position. Making informed offers can help you secure a property at the best possible price. Don't forget about additional costs. These can add up quickly. Stamp duty. Check the latest rates. Solicitor fees for the legal work. Surveys and inspections to ensure the property is in good condition. Budgeting for these costs up front will help avoid surprises later. Finally, always plan for the long term. Think about rental income. Calculate yields and account for maintenance costs. Capital growth. Look at potential value appreciation. A well-thought-out, long-term strategy can turn your property into a profitable investment. Before we wrap up, here's a teaser for our next video, the BRAR method. It stands for You Tell Me. Curious about how it works? Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our in-depth guide on the BRAR method. Thanks for watching.